6:47 is your time on this Monday morning. Want to get a check of your pinpoint weather and traffic together. Very important forecast. TJ tracking new details on this potential storm headed our way this week.
Yeah, the National Weather Service just issued some winter storm watches and blizzard watches for parts of our area. Let's take a look at what the situation is. It's Newport County, Bristol County, Massachusetts. You're under the winter storm watch for now. It's possible that could be extended further westward. So something that we'll be monitoring through the course of the day. Plymouth County, you're also under a winter storm watch. We've got a blizzard watch in effect for Cape Cod and the islands. And all this means is potential. And winter storm watch means that there's the potential for 6 inches or more of snow in those areas of blue. Out on Cape Cod and the islands means there's the potential for some very poor driving conditions as a result of blizzard-like conditions. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar is nice and quiet. Temperatures right now 17 in Coventry, 18 Providence, 18 degrees in Newport. We've got 18 at Pocasset Bay Retirement Living in Johnston. Live city cam picture, nice and quiet. We're not expecting to see any rain or snow out there this morning. Looks quiet weather-wise for the morning commute. Barely a cloud in the sky. We'll have high pressure out across Pennsylvania, New York, slowly working its way on off across New England and out across the Canadian Maritimes through the daytime today. Now tomorrow we are going to be seeing the clouds thickening up throughout the course of the afternoon especially, and eventually the snow off to our south will be working its way into southern New England, but probably not until after dark. Let's see how the next 24 to 27 hours plays out. We're looking at quiet conditions through the daytime today. Into tonight, nice and quiet, mainly clear skies. Tuesday morning, we'll see sunshine, then the clouds begin to thicken, especially later in the day. 3 o'clock in the afternoon, cloudy, but the snow remains off to our south and west. Talk more about that storm in a minute. Cold and dry for your morning commute. In the afternoon, 33 on the east side, 32 Pawtucket, 33 degrees in downtown Providence. And with the wind, it'll feel even colder. It's more January-like today than March-like, almost April-like. 33 in Riverside. 33 in Warwick, Cranston 33 today. Along the coastline, looking at highs in the low 30s, 32 Hope Valley, 33 degrees in Wickford. Much colder up in northern Rhode Island. We're looking at a high only around 29 in Burrillville, 31 Scituate, Woonsocket 31, Cumberland 32. Lots of sunshine over in southeastern Mass, but pretty cold, low 30s out here, and with the winds it'll feel more like it's in the 20s. Let's take a look at the big picture here. We're watching two pieces of energy, one across the northern plains, another one in the Gulf of Mexico. These two are going to meet up and form a very powerful storm system off the eastern seaboard over the next 24 to 36 hours. In fact, here is that European computer model, which you've probably heard a lot about. This is the closest to southern New England of all the major computer models, and what it does is it brings a lot of snow and some very strong winds into southern New England. And the other computer models are a little bit offshore, a little bit further on off to the south and east. And the end result would be less in the way of snow if that kind of track plays out. However, this one has been very, very consistent. And when the European computer models locked in, typically it does very well. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12, 7-day Futurecast. Here are the details on that storm on Wednesday. Snow could possibly be heavy early Wednesday morning. Some strong and gusty winds. At least a few inches possible. There's the potential of more, especially south and east of Providence and especially out across eastern Massachusetts. The end of the week, though, we've got rain Friday into Saturday and some mild temperatures, maybe approaching 60 on Saturday afternoon. You can get the updated Futurecast from Tony. He'll be in later today on Eyewitness News Live at 5. Let's get an update now on that morning commute with your